Hello, my name is Diana Carolina Chica Cuellar of Program Industrial Engineering of course Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. The corresponding topic is excessive processing time, property intellectual. Excessive processing time definition. It's one of the obstacles to register industrial property identified by Colombian companies in the manufacturing industry. Process for processing patent application. Invention disclosure. Search for prior art. Initial processing legal documents. Drafting of patents application. Presentation of a patents application in Colombia of international. Entry to the national files. Patent grant. Consequences. Product similarity to others. End of the procedure incidents in international negotiation. Incomplete documentation of the procedure. Error in the diligence of the process. Lack of follow by the applicant. Recommendation. Prior verification of the availability of the trademark before applying for registration. Before proceeding with a registration application, it is essential to obtain very good advice so as not to lose the value of the registration fees that are not recoverable, and to avoid as much as possible third-party opposition ordained from the Superintendency of Industry and Commerce, SIC, since that the large number of brands that are already registered make a new project with a new brand more difficult. Thanks.